How to turn off update notifications stream on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off update notification streams on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then go down, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications, and now all you need to do is just find this one here, this one, click on it and then just go down and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.